Hey there, YouTubers, a G-Man from Texas here. Hey, today I'm going to do a little repair on the trailer. The bunks of my trailer came off their screws because, you know, the tracker trailers are not that great. So the screws are into the wood. Obviously, the wood expanded. So today we're going to do a little repair. We're going to put some bolts in it and make it a little more secure. I'm here with my friend Louis from Florida. I came here to Texas to visit me. So I'm going to take advantage of his hospitality to help me do this job. Come with me, guys. Here's the $5. I paid. As you can see, the screw came off. As soon as the boat came off the trailer, the bunks fell off. So we're going to go through the board. We're going to put a bolt and a nut on the back. Then we're going to recarpet it. Stay tuned. All right, so we got pliers to take out the old staples. Got the tools, got the stapler, screwdriver. Guess what I forgot to bring to the ramp? The drill, to drill the hole. You gonna stay here with the trailer? You gonna stay here with the trailer so I go back to the house and bring the, yeah, okay. Hey, mistake number one. Stop. So I'm taking off the staples on one side so I can peel this off the 2x4 so I can drill in the 2x4. So hopefully I don't have to take both sides of the carpet out. We'll see.
And this is a 2x4?
Yeah.
I can see where the wood got messed up there.
Yeah. See, this is not, it's no good. They just have a screw into the wood. Of course, with the water and time, the screw gets loose and it comes off. Tracker, you gotta do better than this, man. All right, there we go. We're gonna make the hole right here and then cover it back up. It should be done. So we're gonna use the X16 hole to make the hole, and then on the other side we're going to countersink it so that the boat doesn't scratch with the head of the bolt. Trust me, you'll see. Okay, we'll do all three, I guess.
Well, at least maybe you'll need to replace it later on in the near future.
Yeah, the wood might rot. In the future, might have to replace the whole thing. But for now, we'll do with this. All right, let's see. Yep, it fits. All right, so now we're going to countersink that so that the head goes inside the wood to avoid friction with the bottom of the boat.
And that's why men carry pocket knives.
Especially in Texas.
Exactly.
A necessary tool.
Look at that, perfect.
Okay, that's good. Right, got these three, so we're gonna put them on the trailer and see what's up. Ready?
Got it.
And we're done. And where's my helper?
Your helper. You beat your helper up.
I don't know about these Miami boys. I just don't know.
All right, brother. It looks really good. Tighten that up with the pliers.
I don't think I can.
Other than that, the trailer's in good shape. Well, the wood that we just replaced. Win.
All right, guys, so that's the repair I made on the bunks. They look like they're getting a little worn out, so the next time I'm gonna put some composite high value bunks on there. But for now, until they break, we're going fishing. The G-Man from Texas, as I always say, guys. Peace, y'all.